Hello everybody, my name is Kaan. In this video, I would like to talk about property residence permit in 2025. What are the updates? What is the current situation? Firstly, what I can tell, it is a good time to buy property in Turkey. Why? Because of the high interest rates and difficulty in mortgage credits. There isn't much buyers in Turkey to buy properties. So as there isn't that much demand, the prices are decreasing. So seasonally, it's a good time to invest in Turkey in property. For getting property residence permits, still the rule is the same. You need to buy a property above $200,000. When you buy a property in above $200,000 official value on title deed, you can get property residence permit for 1 or 2 years. Even 2 years you can get property residence permit. So firstly, you need to open a bank account in Turkey, and you need to bring your purchase money to Turkey inside your Turkish bank account. For all these procedures, you can contact me for further questions. We can assist you. When you bring your money and when you decide which property to buy, you switch your money in US dollars to Turkish lira and get a currency exchange document. With currency exchange document and property expertise valuation report, you apply for an appointment in title deed office to hand over the title deed. In the appointment date, after taking the taxes and paying these title deed taxes, which is 2%, there is title deed tax, and generally Turkish brokers, real estate agents take 2% commission. After paying all these title deeds taxes, you send your purchase money, official purchase money, to Turkish seller. After sending this purchase money, the seller and the buyer enter the title deed office signing room and sign the title deed to hand over. After getting title deed, before your visa expires, the lawyers need to apply for property residence permit application. If you want to take property residence permits for also with your wife, there should be 50% husband, 50% wife on title deed property ownership. 50%, 50%. Husband and wife get the property residence permit, and kids get also residence permit based on husband and wife. For these applications, marriage certificate is needed, birth certificates are needed, and passport translations are needed. We also make the necessary documentation like residence permit, insurance, tax payment, application form, and we make an appointment for you in immigration office. During the appointment date and time, we prepare all the file, and you as a family and our lawyer consultant enter immigration office to submit the documents. After submitting the documents, generally 2 to 3 weeks, we will take a positive result. If you want 1 year, 1 year. If you want 2 year, 2 year residence permit, always renewable. After getting the positive result, it takes 2 weeks generally of the printing of the card, and the card comes to your house address. As a documentation also, we submit specifically earthquake insurance, an address document from the municipality which is called numarataj. These documents also we add to your application file. After, as you see, all these procedures, you can live in Turkey without any problem for 2 years, and also this residence permit can be renewable always. For any kind of questions, please contact us, mail us in the explanation part in down of the video. I will put my telephone number and my mail address so you can contact me for questions. Thank you for following this channel. We will continue assisting you legally and solve your problems in Turkey. Thank you very much.